Hello everyone. Since a lot of students are facing difficulty applying for CIMIA, therefore we are making this video to show you how exactly you are supposed to apply for CIMIA statement of comparability. Alright, so first of all you will need to go to Google and search for CIMIA. Click on this link www.cimia.it. Here you will have to select English as your language first. Now select Statement of Comparability and Verification. Here you will have to click on this link where it says click here. This will take you to another page of CIMIA Diplomatic page. Here you will either create an account. Now if you already have an account, just log in or create an account. It is quite simple. I have already logged in, so I'm going to just log in and then forward this video. After you are logged in, you will see this page that goes something like this. Now here you will have to click on Access to Comparability in the Comparability section specifically. Now scroll down till here and click on Continue. Now make sure you do not check this one section, because if you do, the process will get lengthened, because then you will have to send university sealed documents to them and all, which is quite cumbersome. So do not click on this one. Just go ahead and fill the rest of the information. In qualification, you will have to select higher education, because in Italy, any university degree is considered higher education. Next, in country section, select Italy obviously. In purpose, you will select Access for Study Evaluation. Next, in documents, select Diploma Bachelor Degree. In countries, go for Laurea Magistrale. In Italian, master's degree is called Laurea Magistrale. Now here you will upload some documents. I have already uploaded some, so I don't have to do it again. You will upload transcript, passport and the rest of your documents along with their translations. In optional documents, you will upload the rest of your documents like secondary education certificate and higher secondary certificate and their respective translations. All of these documents you will upload one by one. When you have uploaded all of these documents, go ahead and click on Confirm. So that is all. This is how you apply for CIMIA. I hope this covers most of the doubts about how you have to fill your CIMIA comparability application. If you need further help, do let us know in the comments section.